Okay, next one up is this little Honda Rebel. This is in for a pre-showroom mint up. This has not been cleaned in some time and looks like it's never been properly protected. This right here, folks, is why I can't stress enough how important it is to get your bike properly protected. This one actually lives down by the seaside, so even more important. Look at all the banjo bolts, nuts and bolts, even the ABS ring. So we got our work cut out for us with this one. This is a pre-showroom mint up, so we're going to get it all. We're going to do one of our legendary full Monty ballots. We will XCP all this motor, get it all looking mint, get some corrosion protection on it, get it looking like it should. Probably have to paint loads of little rusty bits and pieces before we put the corrosion protection on. We will service that chain, looking a little rusty. Got our work cut out for us with this one, so enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get cracking, get this thing looking like it should. And there you go, 2 hours on the dot. This little Honda Rebel has been trotted and heading for a showroom near you. This belongs to Cool Moto. Just needed a bit of a freshen up. We've got a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection on it now, just to neutralize any corrosion that was on it and prevent any further. All the chain has been serviced, degreased, blow dried, re-lubed back up. All the shocks have been sorted out. Yeah, heading for a showroom now. If you're looking for a nice little Honda Rebel, I don't think it's got a lot of miles on it, about 6,000 or 7,000. Give Cool Moto a call. This won't be around long. On to the next.